Good morning, guys. Oh my God. Oh. Hindi pa ganun kaayos yung aking pagmumukha, but I'll fix it a bit later. Good morning ko na lang muna kayo. I am on my way to work. It is Sunday, 7:45 ng umaga at yung trabaho ko is from 8 in the morning until 12 noon lang. So okay lang kasi short day. I'm just gonna be there a little bit kasi I'm apparently gonna help out one of the new workers, like train her a bit in like office work ganyan. So I'm gonna be there, so it's not that bad, but it's Sunday. It's supposed to be like a relaxation day, but it's okay. So anyway, papunta kami doon. Ang haggard ko pa. Ganito dito guys, pag madali parang nag-aayos na lang sa sasakyan. Ewan ko, maybe the others will do it at home, pero ako kasi parang okay, I'm gonna be in the car, I'm just gonna fix myself in the car, and it's normal here na hindi ka shower every day kasi nga ang ginaw. So ang ginagawa ng mga tao dito, of course wash yung body nila, but then the hair will be washed like 2-3 times a week lang ganyan. So madalian lang. Ano pa ba? Ang dry ng lips ko. Ang sakit actually kasi sobrang nagda-dry siya. But I'll fix everything a bit later. I got actually 14 minutes lang to so see you later.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who inhabits your skin? And can you trust?
So yun guys, may nabago ba? So medyo inayos ko na yung dito ko nahatingin kasi titinaw sa. So medyo maayos na konti yung yung mukha ko. So ganito lang, okay na yan. Tapos medyo busy na din kami. I mean, for the last months, medyo hindi ganun ka-busy nga kasi yung mga tao pa nag-shop online, ganyan. But then, now, it's starting to be Christmas. People are starting to buying gifts.
Starting to look a lot
like Christmas. More. No, and people are starting to buy Christmas gifts. So medyo busy na yung shop namin. So medyo hindi na ganun ka-boring. And alam niyo yung mga tao pag nagbibili ng mga gift, parang they are in a happy mood. So parang naano mo din yung vibe ng shop na parang masaya, ganyan. So yun yung mangyayari. My God. Yung ang buhok ba? Mga nagpariban ako sa Pilipinas, diba? Tapos nagpakulay. Tapos ngayon lumalabas na yung parang mga black, ganyan. Okay lang. Ganun talagang buhay. Ganda ng umaga ngayon. It's not so dark kasi maganda.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on